Hi guys, in this video we are going to see some basic text function. First, the lower function. Basically the lower function what it means, it changes the alphabetical character in lower character. That means in lowercase. Here see, I changed the uppercase letter into lowercase letter by using lower function. Next, the upper function. It's just opposite to lower function. It just changed the lowercase letter into uppercase letter. Here see the word UNESCO changed to uppercase letter. Next, something called proper function. It declares the word in correct manner. Here see the Adam Smith. One is capital and one is smaller, but it declares the correct way. Next, the left function. It pulls the letter from left to right. Here see, I want to pull first 5 letters. So I put it 5 and it declares Adam. Next, the right function. The right function just opposite to the left function. It pulls up the character from right to left. You see, I want to first 5 letters from right side, so it pulls Smith. Next, in mid function, we can select the range from where to where we want to pull the character. Here I want to pull the character from 1 to 7. So it pulls the character 1 to 7, which means Adam SM. Next, in concatenate function, it just added the two data. Here see, I want to add the D Faisal and E Faisal. It pulls the data Adam Smith. If you want to space also, you want to put space bar. You can also use the alternate method to concatenate. Just I type here. Next, in len function, it counts the character in the cell. Here see, I select the cell. It counts me that 10 character in these cells. Next, in trim function, it removes the unwanted space in the given cells. You see, I count the first cell. It gives me the length is 7, and after trimming, I giving the len function, it gives me 4. See, I previously put 2 space in the given cell, so that it pulls the data, it pulls the length 6. So here 4. Basically, the trim function used for this only. Next, in find function is used to find the particular character in cell. Here see, I want to find the S character in the cell, so it gives me the answer 6. Next, in substitute function, we can change the character by giving input. You see, I want to change the character A to B. It gives me something called the name is so funny now. It's changed to ASB. If I want to change the first character only, means I want to mention it the 1. So it will pull the correct answer. Next, in replace function, we can change the word by selecting the range of index value. Here see, I want to change 6 to 4 as gills. So it gives me the output as Adam Gills.